What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at where to hook up the jumper cables to jumpstart a dead battery in a 2020 Mini Cooper. Like I said, it's a 2020 Mini Cooper in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So the first thing we need to do is pop the hood. If we open the driver's door and then we take a look down near the floor where our left foot would be if we were sitting in the driver's seat, we see the release for it right here. Go ahead and pull it once, let it go, and then pull it again. And then once we have the hood popped, we'll take a look under it. Once we have the hood open, if we take a look on the driver's side, we see this red cap right here. If you pull that cap off, that's going to expose the positive terminal. So on your jumper cables, that's where the red clamp will go, the positive clamp, red positive. And the negative will clamp onto the negative terminal right here. So your black or your negative clamp will go right here. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.